Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making cinnamon tortilla chips. These are another way to use your tortillas instead of a wrap. This is super delicious and super fun to make. So, let's start. 4 ingredients are all we need today. We need cinnamon, sugar, tortilla wraps and oil. First I'm making the cinnamon sugar. So in a bowl add the cinnamon and caster sugar and stir until there are no lumps of cinnamon left. Grab a tortilla and coat everything with oil. You will feel like Picasso doing this. Now sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on top until the whole tortilla wrap is coated. Cut it into slices as big or small as you want. I like to make smaller ones. Once you've cut them, place the pieces on the baking sheet aligned with parchment paper. Bake them in a 175 degrees Celsius oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Repeat this for all your tortillas and enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more videos of me. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.